in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the search engine used on your Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Safari and then select the Safari button up in the menu bar. Go down and select Settings. And then you want to select the Search tab at the top. And where it says Search Engine, you can click the drop-down, select a different search engine from the list. Or you can also use that search engine in private browsing mode as well. And then once you're done, you just close out of here to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.